Hi all, this video is all about unboxing of my new HP x360 convertible laptop. Straight away let me unbox it. Let us have a look at the labels on the side of the box. Manufacturing date and year are mentioned on the label. You can also see the serial number and product number mentioned on the label. Model of the laptop is HP 14 dh1180. Processor type is i7 10th generation. RAM is 8GB DDR4. Storage is 512GB SSD, which is solid state drive. There is no optical drive as mentioned on the box. It is a multi-touch enabled laptop up to 10 fingers at a time, and also touchscreen is pen enabled. It also has fingerprint reader. Now let me open the box. Look at this stylish and slim laptop. As it is a 360 degrees laptop, its screen can be rotated up to 360 degrees backwards. Setting up my laptop. Cortana will assist you while setting up your laptop.
There, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help. A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do. Use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the little microphone icon towards the bottom of your screen. If you need an assistive screen reader, press the Windows, Control, and Enter keys at the same time to turn on narrator. Okay, enough intro. Let's dig in. Your region is set to India. Is that right? Your keyboard is set to English, India. Want to stick with that?
Yes.
Do you also type with another keyboard layout? Now let's get you connected to a network. That way you can get updates, apps, and cat videos as soon as possible. Now type your credentials.
I'll make a detailed description of its performance specifications in the next video. If you liked the video, please hit a like and subscribe to my channel.